CCTV and lighting poles are easy targets for thieves and vandals who possess the body strength to shin up and damage or steal expensive equipment installed at the top. The cost of these acts can run into thousands of pounds, not to mention the danger that can ensue for the public with further criminal activity as the area is no longer securely monitored. At Insight Security, we offer some effective solutions to prevent this from happening. Due to their nature, they should not be used at heights any less than 2.4 metres, and once installed are the ultimate deterrent against thieves or climbers. Anti-climb collars are the most popular way to protect these areas. They're easy to fit, come in a variety of sizes and require no maintenance once installed. The collars are normally supplied in two halves which bolt together, and as the spikes point downwards it makes it difficult for anyone to ascend the pole. Not only do they provide a good physical deterrent, they're visually imposing as well. Another style of collars we offer are made from our aggressive razor point anti-climb spikes. These instant anti-climb collars are exceptionally aggressive and could cause significant harm to anyone coming into contact with them. Bespoke manufactured from heavy-duty galvanised steel, they can be tailored to fit a myriad of different sized posts, and it's important to display warning signs on each of the posts to discharge your duty of care. For more information, check out our website or call our friendly team.